I'm videoing this sideways. We'll see how it turns out. It's exactly a vertical drawing. A drawing I did at 4 different times. 1982, 2002, 1990, and 2021. So we have a very large piece of like driftwood, like a tree trunk, on the beach at Discovery Park in the Magnolia District in Seattle. We have some trees I drew in Magnolia, and like roadway and so on. There is the lighthouse at the west end of the beach there. This is along Puget Sound. And we have a apparition here of a parakeetoterosaurus in the upper right of the drawing here. All right, there you have it, just like I pictured it. And if you're out and about, keep an eye out for unusual flying birds. So get back far enough to get the whole thing in there. We have a special musical accompaniment here by my parakeets. Thank you guys. Very excellent job. It's greatly appreciated. All right, there you have it. Oops. Back around this way. One final view from top to bottom. All right, there you have it.